Lost Boy, The True Story of Captain Hook is a dark fantasy novel by Christina Henry, published in 2017. It serves as a reimagining of Peter Pan, focusing on the backstory of Captain Hook. The novel explores themes of friendship, betrayal, innocence, and the loss of childhood through a sinister twist on J.M. Barrie's classic tale. Plot twists. Jamie had always been Peter's favorite. From the moment Peter brought him to the island, Jamie had been by his side fighting, playing, laughing. The island was their kingdom, and the Lost Boys were their family. They never aged, never worried, and never thought of the world beyond. It was Peter's perfect paradise. But Jamie knew the truth. He had seen boys die, torn apart by monsters in the forest, lost in the raging sea, or worse, killed by each other in Peter's endless games. It was all fun to Peter. If a boy was hurt or broken, Peter would simply find another. Jamie had ignored it for years, believing in Peter's dream. But then came Charlie. Charlie was small and weak, different from the other boys. He was afraid of the dark, afraid of the fighting, afraid of the games Peter forced them to play. Jamie saw himself in the boy the way he had once clung to Peter, looking for safety. So, Jamie protected him. That was when everything changed. Peter didn't like Charlie. Weak boys didn't belong in Neverland. Peter laughed at his fears, called him a crybaby, and encouraged the others to do the same. But Jamie refused to let Peter break Charlie the way he had broken so many others. He stood up to Peter for the first time, shielding the boy from his cruel games. Peter's smile never faltered, but Jamie saw something dangerous in his eyes. The other boys turned against Jamie. Peter whispered to them, planting doubt in their minds. Jamie was no longer one of them, Peter said. He was too soft, too old. He was ruining the fun. One by one, Jamie's friends became his enemies. Then Charlie died. Jamie didn't know how. He only knew that Peter had led him into the forest and that Charlie had never returned. When Jamie found his body, something inside him shattered. He had believed in Peter. He had loved him like a brother. But now, he saw him for what he truly was, a selfish, heartless child who would never grow up, never change, never care. Jamie could not save Charlie, but he could stop Peter. He turned the Lost Boys against their leader, starting a war on the island. But Peter was faster, stronger, crueler. In the final battle, Peter slashed Jamie's hand, cutting it clean off. The sea took it, and the crocodile took the rest. Broken and betrayed, Jamie was cast out. Peter called him a villain, a traitor. A lost boy no more. And so, Jamie became Hook. A man who had once been a boy. A boy who had once been loved. A boy who had once believed in Peter Pan.